Careful, that'll shoot out a dust that'll poison you and you'll die. Just stick your head in there. Wear it like a hat. There's money down there.
Arlo, you want to make
Get that money? You want to throw a coin in there? Yeah. Yeah? Make a wish. Throw it in there. Good job.
Wow, bud, you really thought about that one.
What'd you wish for?
Let me kid that gets away before it won't talk for them.
I didn't hear it. What did he wish?
What would kid that gets a rabies shot and won't hurt for them?
A rabies shot?
Wow, they did an awesome job in here.
They did a really awesome job.
This is crazy good, man. This almost feels like we're really in the Avatar. Except I've been there and it smells different. Smells like the Navi meat, like right here. Ian, what? Did you go pee right here? Must be monkeys or something right on the other side of that.
What about...
It smells like pee.
It does smell like pee. It's a cave. Hey, you know what this feels like, Salem? It's like the Indiana Jones ride at Disneyland. Huh. Oh, look, I think if you shake one of those poles, the ceiling starts to come down. Where'd Ian go? Ian? Ian? Oh, man. Ugh. Harlow, you gonna ride with Mommy? Okay. Okay. Here we go. Hey, this kind of feels like Pirates. There's a lark. What? What? That's crazy. Am I gonna move it?
Look up there, Salem. Uh-oh. Hey, hey, hey. You guys stay over there.
Stay over there. Look at these spinny things. They're going crazy. Oh, that's cool. Look at that, buddy. There's like lizards and stuff up there on the leaves. You see them?
Yeah.
Look at that one just jumped over. That's really cool.
That's cool. I like this one.
It's like they're chasing the lights.
Yeah.
Look at those things. That looks really good.
Look at the hole. So
They're walking back there. She's huge.
like her?
That's such an addictive song. Really, it's gonna be stuck in my head the rest of that. Wah, fei fei wah, say say wah. Ready for this? Wow, Salem, look at that. This view is awesome.
Oh, there it is.
Pretty cool. Man.
Wow, look at it.
Like we shouldn't be back here. Huh. Ah, we do come back here. This is cool. Holy moly. Thank you. Yeah.
6 and 7. Take 3, 6 and 7.
6 and 7. And some exercise. It's working.
Okay.
Welcome to the Avatar program. Soon, you're going to have a chance to undertake an amazing Navi rite of passage, flying on the back of this powerful animal called an Ikron, or as we call it, a Banshee. I'll see you in there.
Alright, make sure that I get on the one, okay?
The number one thing to remember here is don't fall off and die, okay?
This is the left side.
Get your goggles.
Thanks, guys. You do not need to wear these just yet.
Wow, guys. Oh my gosh. Dude, that ride was so awesome. I wish I could have vlogged it, but I'm kind of glad I did. I know you're mad that I didn't.
Really hard to
Yeah, it would have been super hard to vlog. Plus, like, I really thoroughly enjoyed that. That was so much fun.
Yeah.
Is that your new favorite ride? I think that seriously might be my new favorite ride. It's like amazing. It's long too. Man, that was super, super great. Yeah, don't tell mommy anything about it though, okay? It's like amazing. That is my new favorite ride. Big time. Go! Go, honey, go! The friendliest fossils in America.
You gotta stand his head up.
Kiddo, hand him his thing. Awesome. All right, aim right at the circle, okay?
And we're gonna go ahead and get started in 3,
2, focus. Keep it there, keep it there. Hit it.
Oh, that gas up, guys. Who's my winner gonna be?
Keep it there, buddy.
Almost there. It's a tight race, and the winner is number 11.
That was close, dude.
Thank you all so much.
Very close. Look at how close you were. You were like the second up there. Give me 5. Okay, come on.
That was a fun game. I really liked it.
How is it?
Fun.
Is it really cool?
Yes.
I'd go on that over Goofy's Flight School any day.
Really?
Yeah, I don't like Goofy's Flight School. That ride's fun. I like that. That's
Okay.
fun.
Dinner's ready. Oh, crap. Oh! Oh, my back. Ah! Oh, man. The end is near. I'm like falling into the other seat. Ah! Ah, crap. Woo! Ow! My butt. Woohoo! Yay! Ah! Oh crap! Oh, holy moly! Okay. Oh, this is a nice, comfortable ride. Oh, man. My back. Holy crap! Oh jeez! Oh my! Holy moly! Ow! That's a really good ride. That ride was fun. It hurt a little bit. Look at it. What'd you think?
I love it. I think it's actually my favorite ride so far.
Yeah?
Yeah.
You did like it better than Goofy's Flight School though?
Surprisingly, yeah.
Really? No way. I like Goofy's flight school better.
I like the spinning part.
You like the spinny part? That is pretty fun, huh? Harlow, you want to go on a dinosaur? You want to go flying? Sam, you want to go on a dinosaur? And go flying? All right, who's controlling this thing?
Me. All of us.
You are?
All of us.
Oh, we're doomed.
We have to go
If he's controlling, we're screwed. All right, everybody, it's very important that we don't do this. Like this, don't do that. Are you ready? We're gonna take off. I'm gonna scream at the top of my lungs on this ride, okay? Would that make you uncomfortable? Would it embarrass you if I did that? Good. Whoa! Arms up! Arms up! Foot'll get stuck in there. I remember when we did this in San Diego and yours got stuck. You can do it, go! Get her! She's going!
She's got this.
Wait, baby, come on, this way. Ooh, what's over here? And go across the bridge? Oh, there's a long slide. You want to go on the slide?